Hi everyone, I'm Tanya from Tanya Creative Junkie. Today I'm just doing a journal page. I have a beautiful picture of a girl's face, a moon with a bird, and I will create this page leaving lots of blank spaces so that I can come back later and fill in some words when I do my morning journaling writing. So I'm just using some oxide inks, adding some water to them and putting them to the page. The pink wasn't as bright as I wanted it to be, so I've gone back and used a actual pink ink that I had available. After drying the page, I'm now just using some more Distress Oxides with a brush to add more colour to the page. I'm thinking about how strong I want the colour, and the great thing about Oxides is that you can continue to layer the colour on top of each other. Now I'm adding some texture to the page. I found this new product, so I thought I would try it. I believe it's crackle texture. So I'm just using a stencil and a palette knife. And I'm not concerned about any of the odd bits that end up on the page because I can use a baby wipe to wipe them off. At this point, I'm not really thinking about where my picture's going to go, and I'm just going with the flow on where I think the stencil would look good on the page. So after cutting out the pictures that I want to add to my page, I think about where I want to place them on the page. I then realise that it's going to cover up part of the texture, part of the page that I had added before, but that's okay. It's just, the way it goes, and I'm happy with the way it's going to look. I just see it as layer upon layer, and sometimes the layer underneath gets covered up. Now I'm just adding some lines with a fine marker pen around the picture. I like using the marker pen just to add interest. I'm adding some earrings and just going around to add some, another layer. Using a marker pen can help to emphasize areas and just have something else for your eye to look at. So I've decided I wanted to add some more colour around the girl's face, so I'm using the Neocolour crayon. I start using it with a water, putting it on the page and then using the water brush, but that doesn't seem to work, so I then use the water brush on top of the crayon and put it on the page that way. Don't be afraid if something doesn't look right to change it and try a different method. I want to try and make the line in the girl's face less noticeable. My printer is on its last legs, so it doesn't always print out the full picture. So I'm going to use some colour. Doesn't turn out the way I expected at the start, but then I actually dry it. I think it's because it was wet underneath, so I then dry it and I think it looks better, or I'm happy with it anyway. Now I'm adding some stamps to the page. I didn't want to use a black ink, so I've chosen a brown ink, and then I choose some lovely kind words to add to my page. As you can see, there's quite a lot of blank background, and like I said before, I will come back and use this page and add my thoughts and words when I do my morning journaling. finishing it off now with some white splatters of paint. I'm not sure about everyone else, but I seem to end up with white splatters everywhere, not just on my page. The next clip you will be able to see where you can download these pictures for free from my website. I hope you've enjoyed watching and I hope you have a great day. Happy crafting. Bye. If you would like a copy of these beautiful girl faces, you can download a free copy from my website, tanyacreativejunkie.com. From the home page, go to freebies, and then you're looking for the Whimsical Winter Moon digital collage paper. I've created these in two sizes, US size and A4 size. Simply click on the size that you're wanting and add it to the cart. When you go to checkout, you will be able to download it for free. If you go down here, you'll be able to see what you are receiving. So you will get 4 beautiful pictures of these ladies. I hope you enjoy and get to create some lovely craft projects. Thank you, and like I said before, have a lovely day. Happy crafting. Bye.